Vessi. Framer animation not working? Yeah, that can make your whole site feel kinda dead. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. All right, first, check your animation trigger. I mean, is it set to on load, on scroll, or on hover? If the trigger is wrong, the animation won't start. Next, make sure your element is actually visible. Yeah, if it's hidden or outside the viewport, the animation might not play. Now, look at your animation timeline. I mean, if duration is set to 0 or timing is off, nothing will happen, okay? If you've added multiple animations to the same element, they might conflict. Uh, Try removing extras and test again. Next, test your animation in preview mode. Yeah, some animations don't show properly inside the editor. If your site is slow, animations might lag or not play. I mean, optimize images and reduce heavy effects and clear your browser cache and refresh. Sometimes you're just seeing an outdated version. If it's still not working, try another browser or device. Yeah, this helps rule out compatibility issues. So yeah, that's how you fix animations not working in Framer. One of these should get your animations running smoothly again. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.